Hi guys, today in the second episode, as I had promised you, that I will be showing you all my original first print collection. I have got all of them. Hence it will be a very exciting journey talking about these records, taking a look at them and all. So after Adhikar, this is the second video that I am trying to make. This is the LP that I have pulled out. Aankhein, one of the most iconic soundtracks, I would say. Mr. Ravi, he startled his listeners with his work. This is the first print Angel copy. As you can see, the 3AEX5195, beautiful cover art, and this is called the flip back cover, where this had a flip back. These were known as the original first print flip back covers on the Angel label. A little bit of write-up, Sagar Art International, the same gentleman who made Ramayan. तो साहिब लुधियानवी के गीत थे. अब इसमें क्या कहा जा सकता है? Every song was a gem. उस मुल्क की सरहद को मिलती है जिंदगी में, लुट जा गैरों पे करम, अपनों पे सितम, तुझको राखे राम, तुझको अल्लाह रखे, मेरी सुन ले अरज, लता मंगेशकर. All these 6 songs were just phenomenal. Sound quality, of course, is awesome. There are no seam splits. The cover is a nice, clean one. I got it from one of the exporters, Sayyid Ataullah, who used to sell Indian records in Canada, in Montreal. I bought a couple of his records, from various sources. So this was the jacket. Let's take a look at the record itself. These were the original polybags that they were making in those days, asking you to use Emitex as a cleaning solution and all. This is the almost brand new record being pulled straight from the historical archives. 3AEX5195. Yeah, the matrix number is 2XJE1163. The usual T1 and all written. This contains brilliant songs which I need not stress. You all must have heard them many times on radios, on CDs, and other functions. But listening to a record is what makes the journey very, very delectable. Now, then I also had the opportunity of buying Aankhein on the Odeon print. These were hard cardboard covers, unlike the Angel ones. These were hard, very tough, sturdy covers with the large Odeon logo and everything. Everything remains the same. The noticeable factor is that these were not flip back. And in Indian context, from the point of view of audio quality, I have always found that Odeons are a tad superior than their Angel counterparts. Not that the Angels are bad, just that I prefer the Odeon pressings a bit more. So, I think that was because of the content used in the vinyl that made all the difference. As you can see, it's the same 2XJE1163, the same that was used to press Angels, and the same that was used to press this. So maybe the carbon content and the vinyl pellet ratio was slightly tweaked to get better treble and more bouncy sound. I love it. This is the black labeled Odeon. We call it the black and silver label. The first print groove feels a bit heavier than the Angel and sounds exceptionally amazing. So as a collector, I always want to collect the Odeon pressings a bit more. Not that the Angels are not that great, they are wonderful, but it's always good to collect Odeons. Odeons were, I think, meant only to be exported out of India, and considering the international audience, their quality was a tad superior, and they sound brilliant. If you listen to a couple of Odeons, you will simply blown away with the kind of sound and all. So what I did is that for my personal listening, I ripped this record, the Odeon, and maintained a nice red book quality file with the original cover art and everything for my collection. But as a matter of comparison, a lot of people ask to send them snippets from Angel and Odeon so that they can make their minds. This is a great album, and this is the second in series. I hope you had a good time looking at these original records in their complete glory. We'll catch up again with probably the third record in the A series, and I'm not playing them simply for the copyright violations and all. So we can have a different forum to listen to them, or maybe you can ask me directly which ones you want and I can send them to you. So what can I say? Happy spinning and have a great time today.